but I'm hoping that we catch some fish over there. So I don't know if you guys can see it, the tree right now, but there's a bald eagle up in the tree. Where that big nest is, there's a bald eagle up there. Got the first fish here, guys. It's a black crappie, I think. It doesn't make the the requirement to keep him, but he's an 8-inch crappie, so first catch of the day. About time to get back to use another one. Okay, guys, I think we just caught a keeper size crappie here. Actually, I caught this one. He didn't. So we're I think we're gonna put him in the live well. So get back to you guys with another fish. Okay, guys, we also got a nice largemouth bass here.